Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Happy Friday, everybody. Today's episode, we are going to take a look at when Bitcoin will go to the moon. A lot of people are thinking pretty pessimistically about Bitcoin. Well, it's Friday. Give you something to be happy about for the weekend. We're going to take a look at when Bitcoin will go to the moon. And also, coincidentally, or maybe not coincidentally, how all these dates of these different charts seem to line up for when Bitcoin's going to the moon. So, if you think that's interesting, definitely stick around for today's episode. All right, what is up, everybody? Happy Friday. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thanks to Michael from Box Mining for giving me a shout out about this video I did 3 months ago where I was calling all these Bybit shillers kind of like bit connectors because they're getting everybody into leverage trading and getting them totally wrecked. So thank you for that, Michael. Now let's get into today's episode. When will Bitcoin go to the moon? This chart was just published by Yuri Bishko on TradingView, talking about how Bitcoin's been in this wedge right here, bouncing up and down and up and down and up and down. And guess what? It looks like it's heading up. He has it somewhere right around the end of 2020 all the way to May of 2021. So basically from December of 2020 to May of 2021, that's when it looks like Bitcoin will take off. If it gets a little bit more, how does he put it? It needs to accumulate energy. So if Bitcoin starts accumulating energy, particularly the energy of scarcity, when people get shit scared like they do on Black Friday that they're running out, which will happen May of 2020 with the halving, guess what? If Bitcoin accumulates energy from that, price could be going up. Now, that's interesting. Okay, I haven't seen this done before. That's interesting. But why is that interesting? Because something that I've been taking a look at this halving versus the previous halvings. Each of these blue lines is a halving. The green box is a year before to a year after the halving. And we have a previous all-time high. So all-time high, guess what? Doesn't get hit until about 6 months after the halving where the price goes back up through it. Same on the second halving. Okay, previous all-time high doesn't get broken through until about 6 months after. Guess what? Same thing could happen in this one if it's 6 months after. Guess when that is? December, January 2020. Okay. Now, that's not only it, because I was taking a look at this in a video I did 2 days ago, the break-even level of miners. And if we take a look at the ASIC S17, I'll move my head for a second so you can see it. Well, guess what? If this green line is the profitability line of the ASIC S17, and if we take a look at that matched up with the current downtrend that we're in, guess what? They both collide, you guessed it, January of 2021. Same time. So we have 3 different indicators saying, hey, something's happening right around January of 2021, which makes sense. It's about 6 months after the halving, because the halving is going to happen. People are going to find out about it. And then all of a sudden, a bunch of shit's going to change with Bitcoin because it's less profitable to mine, because there's less available, because all these things. And within about 6 months, January 2021, that's when shit going to start to go real. So we have about a year until that happens, which is pretty exciting. So that's why I want to make this episode to say, hey, guys, we got a year. Chillax, do what you're going to do. Get as much Bitcoin as you can, because then shit's gonna get real. So happy Friday. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you had a good episode. Make sure you check out the Monarch wallet where you can safely and securely hold your Bitcoin and earn up to 10% interest on your cryptos while holding them in there. Catch you guys later. Have a great weekend. All right. Peace.